to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for my daughter's baptism. She specifically requested pastel rainbow hearts. So let's get started. This is 7-inch vanilla cake filled and frosted with cookies and cream Swiss meringue buttercream. Then I rolled out some white fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I colored fondant pastel pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I wanted to put the words Natalie and baptism or Taufe on the cake, so I cut out the letters using letter plunger cutters. I placed the words on the top of the cake. Then I rolled out the colored fondant and cut out a bunch of hearts and placed them around the cake in rainbow order. Then I used a fondant press mold to make more hearts out of every color. Then I placed the hearts all over the top and sides of the cake, trying to keep the same colors together. I love how this cake turned out. Natalie was really excited. Her joy absolutely glowed from her that day, and she loved the cake too. Congratulations, Natalie! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.